What are people most afraid of these days? For many, it's opening up a health report, especially when it shows words like thyroid lump, breast nodule, or lung mass. It's a feeling that's hard to describe. In truth, seeing these words can be unsettling, as we often fear the unknown. In traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, these types of lumps are seen as signs of energy and toxins accumulating in the body over time. Hi, I'm Jimmy. Today, I want to introduce you to a special point on the arm called Wenliu, which may help your body's qi, TCM's word for energy, and blood flow more freely. Think of Wenliu as your body's own traffic controller for energy. By using this point, we may help reduce blockages and feel more balanced day to day. So, what is Wenliu? The name means warm streaming current. In TCM, every acupoint name carries meaning. Points with warm or yang in the name are believed to support warming and energizing effects. Wenliu, in particular, is known for addressing both cold and heat issues in the body. Now, you might wonder, if it's a warming point, how can it help with both cold and heat? That's the beauty of Wenliu. It's believed to help regulate your body in both directions, whether you're feeling chilly and sluggish, or have symptoms often linked to heat, like restlessness or swelling. Let's learn how to try it. Use your thumb to press on the Wenliu point for about 1 minute. Then, gently massage clockwise for another minute, followed by a minute counterclockwise. You might feel a sore, tingling sensation radiate down your arm or wrist. That's a good sign of energy flowing. After massaging, you may notice your arm feels lighter, as if a blockage has cleared, and energy can travel all the way to your fingers. In TCM, Wenliu is located on the large intestine meridian, and it's known to support pain relief along this pathway, like mild stomach discomfort or arm aches. If, for example, you've had too much cold drinks or ice cream during hot weather, your stomach might feel off. Or maybe you've woken up with a sore throat after sleeping in a draft. Massaging Wenliu might help you feel better. For daily maintenance, especially if your hands and feet are often cold or you feel a chill deep inside, spending a few minutes pressing Wenliu can be supportive. Think of it as a mini massage for your digestive system, helping your body process and release what it doesn't need. Many people carry internal coldness, even if it only shows up as chilly hands and feet. Over time, if this cold energy lingers, TCM says it may create stagnation or blockages. That's why gentle, regular Wenliu stimulation is often recommended for maintaining balance. Wenliu works almost like the herb licorice in TCM, helping amplify and harmonize other functions, or like ginger in cooking, gently warming the system. Here's a tip. If you get caught in the rain and feel chilled, try a warm cup of ginger tea and then warm the Wenliu point for 5 to 10 minutes using warmth if you have access. You may feel that damp, chilly feeling drift away, leaving you refreshed. But Wenliu is not just about cold. According to TCM, it's also helpful when there's too much heat in the system. Think swelling lymph nodes in the neck, irritability, or sensations of internal heat. In these cases, using gentle scraping, gua sha, over the Wenliu point, a simple technique where you stroke the skin along your forearm, may help your body clear heat. Try 50 gentle downward strokes from your elbow toward Wenliu and imagine the tension washing away. If you often feel stressed, have a hot, bothersome mouth or throat, or even mild swelling, stimulating Wenliu may support your body's balance. Remember, many big health issues begin as small, forgotten discomforts. Taking small steps now can make a difference over time. So that's our exploration of the Wenliu Acupoint, your body's hidden helper for harmony and flow. I would like to encourage you to download a free ebook that I've compiled the core diagnostic wisdom into a quick, actionable resource for you. The 5-minute TCM Constitution Quick Guide. This free guide helps you immediately identify your dominant type and gives you 3 personalized fixes you can start using right now, whether you need to boost chai, clear dampness, or soothe your liver. If you are serious about moving from generic advice to personalized healing, this is where you start. Click the link in the description right now to grab your free guide. If you enjoyed today's wellness tip, please like, subscribe, and share with friends so more people can discover the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine. See you next time.